Good morning, guys. We're going to start in 9 minutes. Hello, hello, hello. What up, guys? Let's get some questions, tickers, all that stuff in. I'll be with you in 8 minutes. Peace. What up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. 5 minutes. Get the questions in. There's 25 people in here, and we had 2 questions. Come on, it's free. Yo, what up, guys? Let me change my screen here quickly. Hello. Cool. Good morning. Hopefully yesterday helped some of you unload some bags. Yes, sir. Let's go. PMAX. PMAX is coming down extremely quick. I would not touch it unless it breaks above $3.18. All right, so $3.18. It's coming down. Leave it alone. Wheeler, is it breaking? Yeah, Wheeler looks fantastic. Looks great. Break above here was entry. Bang, straight up. Looks great. Pally, everyone's asking about Pally. No entries unless 241. So Pally, wait for 241 break above for entries. All right. Anything below, no entries. PMAX, nothing unless 318. So this is PMAX, no entries unless 318 break. You know, the issue is with this, right? This was a pre-market runner. It's moving up and down. Now it's coming down. People aren't using a stop loss. I know you cannot place a stop loss, but you can use a stop loss. And the issue is that people now are down maybe 10, 15, 20%, whatever it may be. But they need to understand that there is a stop loss for a reason. So use it or don't use it. But if you're not going to use it, then you're going to fail as a trader, unfortunately. It might be difficult to hear that, but that is the truth. So use it. It's there. All right, MVST. What's happening with MVST? Nothing really, to be honest. Just ranging in this demand zone area. So yeah, there's no real trend, right? There's no uptrend, downtrend. I don't really know what's going on. It's not very clear. Fortunately, I tricked this trade the other day and I took an L on it. So yeah, nothing at the moment. It's not really nothing interesting going on. So maybe a reversal of demand zone. You also have $2 support level here, so could hold this $2 maybe into open, would be all right. Keep it on watch though. It's just a bit choppy at the moment. MVST needs to hold $2 into open. We do have news in 1 minute. Let me have a look quickly. What is it? We have there's a lot of news coming out. Unemployment claims and retail sales. 20 seconds until that news is out. BFLY, there is nothing going on with this, but there's a steady uptrend. BFLY is just steady uptrend. Yeah, BFLY steady uptrend. We have like this to here. Cool. Yeah, so BFLY looks all right. BFLY steady uptrend. News is out. Pending. Core retail sales. Let's check retail sales. Good, bad. What's the news? Red. Not good. Bad news. How's the SPY reacting? Everything's up. That is not good, unfortunately, but luckily we do not trade. It doesn't really affect small caps. Core retail sales month-to-month actual 0.4, so it is lower than expected, which is not good. Unemployment claims is higher. Forecast of 210, 217, that's not good at all. I mean, maybe people quit their jobs last month or something, I don't know. This is new year, new me. SOBR, what's happening here? This one is disappointing. Expect this to run. I actually made $0 on this today. I traded it twice, lost on it twice. Riskier entries above 136. Safer entries above 168. All right, riskier entries, safer entries. QUBT, all of them are up. They're all pushing very nicely. QUBT, these are your key levels right here. You have 1760 and 2175. Let me just check how the SPY is moving. Did the SPY do anything much? Ooh, not really. Like up the stream, yes, totes. Like up the stream. Let's go. QUBT, ADTX, looking good. ADTX looks nice. I think that you have a strong area of resistance right here at 2150. You see this rejection, close above that, I would say on the 4 hour. You have a lot of room to the upside. You even have a wick fill right here at 0.36. So yeah, we will see. We will see. I know a lot of people have been holding this one for a while, so just keep it on watch. I'm not going to be trading this sub $1 play. BAER, what's happening with BAER? Still downtrend, unfortunately. Maybe in a demand zone here. What is this? Let's see. I don't know. I'll try and make this as bullish as I can. Not really. I can't really. Unfortunately, it's just in a demand zone. Let me have a look here. So, RNA. What's this? BAER in demand zone. So you need, the thing with this, right, when something has low volume, it needs to hold this level, okay? If it has volume, it will respect this as a demand zone, and demand zone expect price to go up. But when there's no volume, it won't respect this and it'll probably come down, right? Because the sellers are too strong, it will just push up. When there's volume, there's a lot of buyers and sellers, a lot of volatility, meaning the price will probably, you know, push to the upside on this, especially if it breaks this downtrend. All right. What do we see? Good morning, hooligans. Good morning, hooligans. What up? Trying to break out big bull flag. Cardano. We have VMAR. This one was a crazy mover yesterday, wasn't it? 46%. Yeah, this one has a lot of too much wicks here yesterday for pre-market, and then after at open it ran up here. But now for me, it's just still in a downtrend. I would keep it on watch for sure, because I know it's down 12%, but it ran 45% yesterday. And the probability of these, you know, it's like rinse and repeat with these top gainers. So in my opinion, I think it's good to keep it on watch. When you're at 180 like this, I like to use just $2 as psychological level, but you do have 221 in the way. I just like to mark this off to get an idea when it gets to this level here. So I just have it marked. But you could try and take an entry if it breaks this downtrend. Just remember you have $2, and then the safest entry will be above 221, to be honest. So the blue line indicates psychological level. These are just significant levels. $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, support and resistance, it doesn't matter. Psychological support, resistance, it doesn't matter. This is psychological resistance. If this was at 150 or 175, let's say, that's a psychological support, right? Good morning. Which one? Cardano. What is that? Oh, that's crypto. So it's available by Eric. Thanks. What up? What about MVST? MVST, I went over this one earlier. There wasn't anything interesting going on with it. It's just in the demand zone right now. There's no trend, right? It's not an uptrend or downtrend. If anything, it is in a downtrend, I guess, like this. But yeah, it just needs to hold this $2 into open, as I mentioned. So if you hold that, then yeah, maybe there's a possibility to go up, but it's difficult right now. It's really difficult to enter a trade like that because there's no clear trend, and you don't want to just take a trade for the sake of it. What is this? 0.6. So YCBD is not my kind of play. There is no, same as this, no trend, right? It's literally just ranging. Look, the stock is doing like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. We don't know, right? There's no uptrend or downtrend. The trend is ranging, and that for me is a no trade zone. I don't trade in something like that. $0.6 break, ADA crypto, Cardano, ADA, yes. This is one of the fewest and best pre-market streams. Let's go. Sales lower than expected. Means people not spending as much. Unemployment up. So what was it? Unemployment up, which is not good. Yeah, unemployment up. The forecast was 210. All right. Wolf. Wolf is pushing. Yeah, Wolf broke above 616. Your next level is 806. This next wick fill here, which is good. Which is good. All right. ADTX is pushing up. In my opinion, if ADTX breaks this high here, it's worth an entry at 0.23. You can take an entry, make sure you have a stop loss. If you don't use stop loss, then I don't know what to tell you. Fubo, what's happening here? Fubo, I still like this play. It's still bullish. It's in a falling wedge, holding this psychological support. It looks very good. I like it. 375 and then 521 and 658. What is this? Fubo still looking good. MGOL, interesting. Let's have a look at this one. MGOL is pretty much chilling. MGOL is in an uptrend right now, like this. So it looks good. You just have this in the way. What is this? 660. 0.660. You could say this is an ascending triangle, which is a bullish chart pattern. So hopefully it breaks out. It should do, according to technical. So MGOL, expecting breakout. All right, so this means you enter anywhere inside of the pattern. So it could be here, it could be down here. As long as you enter inside of this, you don't enter the breakout or below. All right. SLI. SLI's resistance is right here. What is this? 180-ish? 180? This is your main resistance on SLI. I'll put this on Twitter for you. Needs 180 break. Guys, for those who are wondering what the time frame is, it's here. You can see it at the top here or at the bottom. This is the 4 hour here, and then you can see 4 hour here. Where BMRA, what's happening BMRA? BMRA up 41%, very nice. Yeah, we take an entry if you can get a close above this level. 5515. You can use on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, up to you. I like to use the 5 minute. Another entry you could take is if it breaks above this high right here at 5.3. Sorry, not 5.3. Yes, 5.3. Yeah, so you can have this break as well. Whoa, why is it just exploded? Exploded, holy smokes. Well, I did not expect that to go before I could even post it. 0.655. Yeah, this is insane. This is insane move. I don't know why this thing's going nuts. What's the news on this? Let's have a look. UAE Ministry of Health Prevention approves Fortal PSA screening test to detect early sign of prostate cancer. Cool. Up the UAE. Friday is a huge day of calls expiration. That's why. Makes sense. Thank you. What is it called that when there's expiration on the same day? Is it good to buy pre-market, sell it when it's running up? So Clueless family, I'll be honest with you, and the easiest way to trade, okay? If you want to trade pre-market, you can trade pre-market. It is higher risk. The reason why it's higher risk is because the price action of the stocks are not usually great because there's a lack of volume. And also you cannot use a stop loss. Second thing is, when you are buying a stock, you are entering a stock and you have a stop loss in mind and you have a target in mind, always. So whether you enter the trade during pre-market or you enter it after or at market open, the same rules apply. You have your target and you have your stop loss. So don't change anything, right? So is it good to buy pre-market? Sure, if you see the setup, you don't want to just buy it because you think it's going to go up. If you have the word think in your vocab when you're trying to take a trade, you must definitely let go of your phone, drop it, take your hands off your keyboard and do not buy. Just watch what happens. But if you are confident and you have seen this setup before and you've had a lot of success with it, then take the trade, no issues, that's fine. Because if you lose for a valid reason. But if you're entering because you think it's going to go up, because someone put a price target on it or something, that's a whole different story, and that's exactly why you'll probably lose on that trade. So if you're going to try and buy, let's say BMRA now, hoping it's going to go to $1, that's an extremely bad way of looking to trade. You enter a stock, if you're becoming a day trader and trying to, you know, copy my kind of style of trading, then what you do is, if you enter now, where is your target? Where is your stop loss? That's it. If it hits your stop loss, you are out. If it hits your target, you are out. It's easy as that. But if you're going to hold for now to open for a certain target and all those things like $20, $30 or whatever it is, and the stock's at 20 cents, you know, it's a different story. So yeah, just have a plan before you enter. But if you want to enter because someone posted it, because I posted it or something, you know, that's not the way to trade, unfortunately. It's not as easy as that. This doesn't look great, the Zena needs volume. Yeah, there's nothing on Zena yet. I know it's probably had news here, but I don't see anything yet. Completes acquisition of... Nice. Nothing on this yet. Maybe it's lagging, I don't know. Let's like up the stream. How many likes we got here? I know we've probably got 20 likes is my guess. 23 likes. I'm impressed. Let's go. Kraken is bearish. So on the 4-hour time frame here, 4 hour, we are in a downtrend. Now, we do not want to trade something that is in a downtrend. This thing is also 7 cents again. So needs downtrend break. I definitely would not trade something that is 7 cents. That is my honest opinion. If I was you and you're starting out, focus on stocks, I would say from $2 to $10. Trade within that range. Don't trade stocks under $1 because you think it's cheap, because you can buy more and you think you can make more money. That is not the way it is. It's completely different. It is completely different. LNKS. LNKS, another bearish chart. Look, strong sell-off, and now there is extremely low volume here. So unfortunately, $33.40 is where, sorry, even higher. You want to take a risk entry, maybe above 185. I'll give you that, but still strong downtrend, nothing on this. Nothing. Need 185 break. All right. ADTX, just went over this one. ADTX, I said, yeah, broke this high here, continuation to the upside. Is it holding VWAP? Let's have a look. Yeah, as long as it holds VWAP, you should be good. Very high volume on this. I said on the 4 hour, if this closes above on the 4 hour, above 0.215, should continue to go up. I like this, looks very good though. Looks good. Not in any discords anymore. Learn what you needed. Moved on. Just motivation versus motivation. What up? BTBT. BTBT is a Bitcoin blockchain stock. They run with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin runs, these follow. All right. We have this here to here. All right, so 395 is your resistance here on BTBT, but as I always say with these are just long-term plays. These run with crypto, so whenever Bitcoin runs, this follows. That's simply how it is. Yeah, these aren't really day trades in my opinion. It's difficult to trade some of this. Because if Bitcoin drops, this will follow, but Bitcoin's pushing up, so this should follow. Bitcoin's at 99K. I'll graduate from QSI. Let's have a look. QSI. QSI. This is quantum. Yeah, another quantum one. So it's, for me, it's just gonna follow all the quantum plays. I don't know all of them. I don't know which one's a leader. I think we discussed this yesterday in the Discord. I think we said it was RGTI, But at the moment, yeah, these are just your key levels, to be honest with you. I would just focus on these levels, break above $3 and to 4, then to 5.77. So it has a lot of room to the upside. But these are bullish. This is the same thing as this long-term plays, in my opinion. I like quantum, AI, all of that. Love from a chunk of money. Nice. MWG, extremely low volume. For me, there's nothing on this, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know how to trade something like this when there's low volume, because majority of the time it just won't respect the technicals, and I don't want to be sitting in a stock for a very long time. Can put 325, maybe above 325. This is the daily chart. So yeah, at the moment I had to go to the daily because there wasn't much volume on any other time frame. But if you're in it, I hope you make a lot of money. PMB, another one. I don't know. I don't have this one. No, PMB I don't have. Z-Car, absolutely nothing on this. It's literally just ranging the last few days like this. Around here. Yeah, it's just ranging. For this, I would just leave it. Maybe above 218. Or what is this level? 219. So what is a Z-Car? Z-Car entries only above 219. Because your range right now, close above this, you have clean range to the upside. AMIX. What's happening with AMIX? AMIX, we are... I mean, has a huge gap fill. Has a huge daily gap fill. That's all I can tell you. But based on the current chart at this time, difficult right now, difficult. Nothing. I don't see anything else. Is this 52-week low, I'm assuming? EVAX. EVAX, another one, bearish. No, this isn't great, unfortunately. Same as Agri. Agri, terrible stock, this, in my opinion. I don't like this Agri, but I'm assuming these are all like 52-week low plays you're showing. Plug, with Tesla pushing, the last time I saw Tesla was pushing, looks good. Plug, it needs to close above this. You need to close above 290. So look, you have 290 here. And you have this wick fill 345, but right now just wait for 290. It's trying to break it. Once it breaks, it should run. Plug, wait for 290 break to enter. All right, and this is going to follow the rest of the EV sector. QUBT is here. These are your levels 17 and 1760 and 2175. FFIE, this one was looking okay, I think, when I looked. Oh no, it was looking, it needs 170. So 170 here, you break above, you have clean range all the way to literally $2. But right now, there's nothing at the moment. This section here and below is just range, right? Up, down, up, down. I don't know what's going to happen here. So we have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. FRSX foresight. Strange chart again here. We are trying to break out, I guess, of falling wedge. See, it's up 7% as well, which is good. I mean, you are on a breakout, so I'll just mark you the key levels. Where's the next drop? 180 here, and then all the way up to this. And then you have all the way up here. So these are just, I've used the 4-hour time frame here to base my levels. But yeah, it's breaking out. It's literally got up 7%. That's nice momentum. I like it. key levels. So yes, this is bullish. This is a good time to buy. You want to buy when a stock is bullish. Good size on quantum play to life sciences. Interesting. Thank you. Even though it has Q quantum in their name. They are lying to us. LRHC, something like this is extremely bearish. The easiest way to do it is just look at the larger time frame. Look at this. So much. It's such a weird chart, right? Yeah, this is nothing. LRHE. Absolutely terrible on this, unfortunately. XAIR. XAIR. Another one. Nothing great on this, to be honest. I don't see anything on this. What do you see on this? I'm interested. Near 52-week low, I'm assuming. 0.315. Yeah, just gonna... It just needs to hold this. That's it. Like, the thing is, if it holds this, that's fine. But that doesn't mean that it's going to push to the upside. Because you need either a downtrend to break like this, the downtrend to break, or you can wait for a resistance. This is still a resistance line, same thing. But your major resistance, I'd ignore these candles here and just focus on maybe like 5855, somewhere around there. Because then you have clean range up. I mean, the safest entry on this play is definitely up here. 0.635. Yes, I've gone through these candles here, but I'm just trying to give you a clearer picture of what's going on. So it just needs to hold that, but at the moment, nothing. But because of, okay, that makes sense. Thank you. BMRA going crazy. Let's see. Wowza. BMRA gone nuts. Congrats if anybody got in. Think this should get to next level or what? What do we think? Yeah. Let me see. Give me 1 second. 0.85, nice. Then we have 0.945, 0.945. And then $1 is the big level. $1 is the big level on BMRA. It needs to go. Anybody know why BMRA is running? I don't see any news on Webull on this. These are your key levels. BMRA key levels. What to do on this? Yeah, 0.85 is the biggest level, I think. BMRA, yes. Well done if you got in. PMEC, PMEC, PMEC. PMEC is up 50%. I'll add this to my watch list. Yes, it's over $1. We'll see. It's difficult right now. There's not much price action. So for me to trade something like this, it's difficult. I'm going to go to the 4 hour and see where the significant levels are. So we'll go over here. You have a wick fill up to here. What is this? 150, 146. Yeah, so 146 is your key wick fill level. Tried to fill it, but got rejected. But I personally would just wait for it to get some price action first. Needs to create a resistance. There's no resistance yet. So these are your next levels on this. But yeah, keep it on watch. I would have this on watch list. Holdings, whenever these holdings, I don't know, they're kind of pump and dump, but we'll see. We will see on PMEC. I'll say your numbers release and okay, thank you. Oh yeah, that was it in the UAE. I saw that for that one. Thank you. Qs are getting hammered. QBT's chilling, 12%. Right, let's see. PMEC is pushing. PMAX still going down. I'm probably just going to remove this off my watch list for now. Probably will reverse open. Pally down. SOBR. I think this will run today, but we just have to wait and see. Wheeler. We're going to have to move this up now. It's a new resistance. 470. Like that. Yeah, 470 is your next level. It needs to hold VWAP. Oh, it's at VWAP. It's actually not too bad. If you were to take this, I would simply just wait for a downtrend break. Wait for a downtrend break on Wheeler. Wheeler, wait for downtrend break. Too close open, gonna crash for sure. Yes, that's the way, Mr. ET. You've learnt my ways. That's the way to trade. TNXP, this one's a strange one. It's not really doing anything, to be honest. I'm probably just going to remove it just because it's in a downtrend still and it hasn't really done much, to be honest with you. So what I'll do is just probably remove it, but I'll just keep it here. TNXP still bearish. Yeah, this is still bearish, so what we'll do is just remove this one. I'm just trying to tighten up my chart here. QBTS, these are your key levels. 647 is resistance to push to the upside. Lays, everybody loves Lays. Look here. Lays needs $5. Too much rejection here for it. It needs to go. How do you see PMAX at the moment? PMAX or PMAX? Oh, PMAX. Yeah, PMAX is extremely bearish. Downtrend. I don't know. There's no sign of reversal yet, so I can't really tell you. All I can tell you is that it's in a downtrend, and if you have the trend like this, right? Here's your trend. Gone through these wicks here, but yeah, right now it's bearish. Unless it breaks above the downtrend, it could be up here, it could be all the way down here. I don't know when it will, but the current moment on a 5-minute time frame, it is bearish. It's in a downtrend. It looks like a huge sell-off. Nothing exciting. Yeah, that's about it, to be honest. RR, where's RR? RR is coming down as well. Quantum looks like it's coming down. You have a lot of resistance here at 340. So RR, wait for 340 break to enter. Above 340, then you can enter the trade. But right now, nothing. Tomorrow we have nothing, but the market's closed on Monday. So the market's going to be very slow today and tomorrow, in my opinion. Nothing exciting will happen. So now what's happened is we finally got some price action. Now resistance is formed here, right? We just have to wait and see what it does do. Nothing at the moment. ADTX. Yeah, this needs to close above on the 4-hour. Still rejecting it big time. XTIA. I'm going to do a few more charts. Guys, this is the link here to Discord. This is it. Here is the link. Live trading every single day. It's exactly like this. I give you the stop loss, targets, entries, swing trades, all of that stuff. XTIA does not look great. No, nothing on XTIA. XTIA is no bueno. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's breaking a downtrend, but I don't like this chart. Personally, I don't like this stock at all. I personally would avoid it, but if you want to try and take it, it's completely up to you. I just don't see anything. TNXP. Yeah, I know. I know what you mean with that one. PMEX, nothing. Okay, let me go to my watch list. PMEC needs to come down, obviously. Watches wanting to open, but I think it will just come down a bit, probably to $1, maybe even probably below. SOBR, personally, I'm going to wait for 136 on this. I probably will trade it if it gets above 168. Showed a lot of bullish momentum. Wheeler's looking like the best setup. That's going to probably be my #1 watch. QBTS, I'm not really interested in these Q stocks. We have Ubo's moving up, which is good. I showed this one here, larger time frame. It looks good. Should break out. Expecting a break on this, expecting it to run to the upside. QBTS, nothing on this as well. Same thing. RR, all of them, they're all together. Lays, they're all the same. I'm just going to remove these. Put them in probably. Put the Qs in purple, so I have them all together. RR is there as well. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. There's not really too many plays that I have on my watch list. PMR still going. Yeah, this thing's. Let me see. Yeah, there's nothing else, to be honest. There's not much at all. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you all tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow till open. I hope you guys have a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, where you guys are. All right. Peace out. Peace, peace, peace.